Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, in whichever time you're watching this. Welcome to SSC and welcome to the 31st day of Static GK Quiz Show, in which we shall be discussing 20 questions on geography, 20 MCQs. To buy a full video course on geography dedicated for SPSC, you can message to the WhatsApp number or as shown in the screen. The course price is 1,200. You'll get total of 20 questions here. So let's discuss. I request everyone to please participate in the quiz. And you all know that the PDF of entire series, it will cost you rupees 300. You get all the videos PDF in both digital read and printable format for rupees 300 of this entire series of static GK. Okay, so for this, send a message to WhatsApp number 077970586589. So geography, first question: which of the following geographical term is related to the piece of subcontinental land that is surrounded by water? The options are there and your time begins now. This one is easy. Is it peninsula? Is it gulf? Is it strait? Or is it island? The time is over. The correct answer to this question is island. Okay, island is the subcontinental piece of land surrounded by water. Next question: which of the following is the largest river basin of Indian peninsular region? The options are there and your time begins now. Indian peninsular region. Okay, if you talk about whole India, it's Ganga river basin, but of Indian peninsular region only, the correct answer to this is Godavari basin. Okay, the largest river of peninsular rivers in India. The largest basin of peninsular rivers is Godavari basin. Fine. Next question: which among these has the least landmass? This is also an easy one. These are the name of the continents. Your time begins now. Least landmass, or in other words, the smallest continent. You all know. So the smallest continent is Australia. Okay, Asia is the largest continent in terms of landmass, and Australia is the world's smallest continent, and it's also the flattest and the second driest after Antarctica. Okay, so the flattest continent, Australia, the driest continent is Antarctica, and the second driest continent is Australia. Okay, next. Which is a suitable definition of archipelago? This we have already discussed in one of the previous sessions. We are not done in the form of MCQ, but I discussed it. Okay, archipelago. What is archipelago? Archipelago is the chain or set of islands grouped together. Okay, it's a group of islands closely scattered in the body of water. Sometimes it is also known as island group or island chain. And we also discussed in one of the previous sessions that archipelago, the largest archipelago in the world is Indonesia. Right? We had already done this. Next question. Where is Great Victoria Desert located? The options are there and your time begins now. Great Victoria Desert. Canada, West Africa, Australia, or North America? Great Victoria Desert. It's located in Australia. Okay, southern Australia is covered by Great Victoria Desert. Most of the desert is covered in sand dunes. Okay, so southern Australia. Which of the following passes cuts through the Pir Panjal range and links Manali and Leh by road? The options are there and your time begins now. It cuts through the Pir Panjal range and links Manali and Leh by road. The correct answer to this question is Rohtang Pass. Okay, it is a high mountain pass on the eastern end of Pir Panjal range of Himalayas, around 51 km from Manali. It connects Kullu Valley with the Lahaul and Spiti valleys of Himachal Pradesh. It links Manali and Leh by road. Okay, so Rohtang Pass is the correct answer. Next is again, which of the following pass has been created by the Indus River? Okay, Indus River. It's also called Sindhu Nadi. So which pass is created by Indus River? Rohtang Pass, Nathula Pass, Baralachala Pass, or Banihal Pass? It's Banihal Pass. Okay, it's been created by Indus River. It's a narrow pass between two mountains generated by water body. It is located in Pir Panjal ranges of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so Pir Panjal ranges in Jammu and Kashmir. Next, which pass makes way to land route between Kailas and Mansarovar? The options are there and your time begins now. way to land route between Kailas and Mansarovar? Which pass? The correct answer to this question is Lipulekh Pass. Okay, Kailas Mansarovar Yatra passes through Lipulekh Pass. So this is it. The next question is, which of the following passes links Srinagar to Leh? Okay, the pass linking Srinagar with Leh. The options are there: Mana Pass, Rohtas Pass, Nathula Pass, or Zoji La Pass. The pass that links Srinagar to Leh. It's Zoji La Pass. Okay, it's a mountain pass located in Himalayas in Ladakh. Zoji La connects Srinagar and Leh. Okay, you know, Leh is the capital of Ladakh. You all know it connects the Kashmir Valley to its west with the Dras and Suru valleys to the northeast and the Indus Valley further east. Okay, so this is it. Zoji La Pass connects Srinagar with Leh. Next question: which of the following imaginary line almost divides India into two equal parts? I think everyone knows. Okay, the options are there. Your time begins now. Equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, or Arctic Circle. Which imaginary line almost divides India into two equal parts? It's Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so it's the 23 and 30 minutes north latitude which pass through the middle of India. Okay, it divides India into two equal halves, nearly the northern and the southern. The Tropic of Cancer, now this is important. Okay, it has been asked in many exams that through which states Tropic of Cancer passes or does not passes. So first, just remember there are 8 states in India through which Tropic of Cancer passes. So Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. So these are the states through which Tropic of Cancer passes. So it does not pass through Uttar Pradesh. Okay, it does not pass through Punjab, Haryana. Okay, so remember this. Okay, and it does not pass through Manipur. It does not pass through Assam. So remember this. Okay, there may be options, and you may need to say that through which state it does not pass. So it's easy for you that if you remember these 8 names. Okay, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, and Mizoram. These are the 8 states through which Tropic of Cancer passes, and through other states it does not passes. Okay, so this is it. Next question: which of the following water bodies is the home of Lakshadweep? I think this you can answer it. Lakshadweep. You should know that where is Lakshadweep first of all, and then it's easy to answer. Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. It's Arabian Sea, right? Lakshadweep, which was formerly Laccadive, Minicoy, and Amindiv Islands, is a union territory of India. It's a group of some 3 dozen islands scattered over 30,000 square miles of the Arabian Sea of southwestern coast of India. Okay, so in southwest there is Arabian Sea, you all know, right? In southeast there is Bay of Bengal, and in south there is Indian Ocean. I think everybody knows this. Okay, it's the basic geography we had learned in elementary classes. Next, which of the following region supports the formation? Kariva formation. The options are there, and your time begins now. Northeastern Himalayas, Himachal-Uttaranchal Himalayas, Eastern Himalayas, or Kashmir Himalayas. So K for Kashmir and K for Kariva. So the Kariva formation can be seen in northwestern Himalayas. Okay, so it's northwestern Himalayas, also known as Kashmir Himalayas. So K for Kashmir, K for Kariva. Remember it like this: northwestern Himalayas. Next, which of the following water bodies separates Andaman from the Nicobar? Okay, you know Andaman and Nicobar Islands. These are the two separate groups of island. So which water body separates these two group of islands? 11-degree channel, Gulf of Mannar, 10-degree channel, or it's Andaman Sea. So the Andaman and Nicobar Islands is separated by 10-degree channel. Okay, it's the channel which separates Andaman Islands and Nicobar Islands from each other where in Bay of Bengal. Okay, in Bay of Bengal. So this is it. Next, which of the following hill ranges is dominated by Duda Bheta Peak? Okay, which of the following hill ranges is dominated by Duda Bheta Peak? This question can be framed in some other way, that Duda Bheta Peak is the highest peak of which of these hill ranges? Okay, so anyways this question can be asked. The correct answer is Nilgiri Hills. So Duda Bheta is the highest mountain in the Nilgiri mountain. which is at the height of 2637 meters. This is a reserve forest area around the, there's a reserve forest area around the peak. Okay, and it's 9 kilometers from Ooty, okay, South India, on the Ooty category in the Nilgiri district of Tamil Nadu. Okay, so Nilgiri Mountains, I think you all know, it forms the part of Western Ghats in northwestern Tamil Nadu, southern Karnataka, and eastern Kerala in India. They're located at the tri-junction of three states. This is important. Okay, Nilgiri Hills are located at the tri-junction of three states and connect the Western Ghats with the Eastern Ghats. Okay, which are the three states? They are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Kerala. Okay, on the tri-junction of these three states, Nilgiri Mountains are located. Let me tell you that I know that it is not possible to cover every corner of geography through this static GK series, but I'm trying my best to bring the best questions, okay, which have been repeatedly asked in many exams. So through this, this is my small attempt so that I can include geography questions as well. So let's see how much far do we go. For now, let's proceed to the next question. Which of the following rivers is not a part of Panjanath? Panjanath. Okay, the options are there and your time begins now. Which of the following rivers is not a part of Panjanath? Ravi, Indus, Chenab, or Jhelum? The correct answer is Indus. Indus is not a part of Panjanath. Panj means five. Okay, so it means five rivers. So the Panjanath River, it is a river at the extreme end of Bahawalpur district in Punjab, Pakistan. So it can be asked that where is Panjanath River? It's in Pakistan. Okay, Punjab, Pakistan. You know, there are two Punjabs, one in India, one in Pakistan. It's Pakistan side of Punjab. Okay, the name Panjanath, it means five rivers. Okay, Panj means five. Okay, and Nad, which is from Sanskrit meaning river. The Panjanath River is formed by successive confluence or merger of five rivers of Punjab. Now, which are those five rivers? They are first of all Jhelum, and then they are, it is Chenab, it's Ravi, Bees, and Satluj. I repeat, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bees, and Satluj. Indus is not included in Panjanath. I hope it's clear. Now let us proceed to the next question. Now this is a very tricky one. Consider the following statements, and this both statements is related to Vishnu Prayag. Okay, it's related to Vishnu Prayag. First statement, let's see. It is one of the Panch Prayag. It is means Vishnu Prayag. Okay, Vishnu Prayag is one of the Panch Prayag, five confluences of Alaknanda River, and it lies in the confluence of Alaknanda River and Dhauli Ganga River in Chamoli district in Indian state of Uttarakhand. This is the first statement. Second statement, place of confluence of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. Now, let me tell you, even if you don't know the answer to this, okay, let us say you don't know the answer. Now, you've got a hint here, okay, in this question, you've got a hint. As you can see, that it is saying that it lies at the confluence of Alaknanda River and Dhauliganga River. And in the second statement, it is said that it is a place of confluence of Alaknanda River and Bhagirathi River. How can these both statements be correct? Okay, it's pass like one of these statements is correct, one is incorrect. So in this way it makes it easy for you to segregate between the answers. Okay, I'm just giving a hint that how do you approach towards a question which you don't know. If you know it, it's best. Okay, but if you don't know, still you can approach to this kind of questions. In our case, the correct answer to this question is only one is correct, which means it's the confluence place of confluence of Alaknanda and Dhauli Ganga River. It's not the place of confluence of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi River. Okay, so Vishnu Prayag, it is one of the Panch Prayag of five confluences of Alaknanda River, and it lies at the confluence of Alaknanda River and Dhauli Ganga River in Chamoli district in Indian state of Uttarakhand. It's correct. Okay, so let's learn more about this Panch Prayag. Okay, it's only one of the Panch Prayag, Vishnu Prayag. Let's learn about all five Prayags. So see here, the Panch Prayag of Uttarakhand traces the route carved by Alaknanda River. So this is the first point here. Okay, which river's route is known as Panchaprayag? It's Alaknanda River's route is traced by Panchprayag. Okay, so when it leaves its Himalayan abode from Setopant glacier, so it can be asked that where is the origin of Alaknanda river? Then it's Satopant glacier. Okay, or how do you pronounce it? Satopant or Satopant. Anyways, this is the origin of Alaknanda river. And now, as the river find its way, there are the five Prayags where it confluences with five different rivers, and thus the confluences have different names known as different Prayags. First Prayag, see, first point. It is joined by the Holy Ganga river at Vishnu Prayag, which was our question. Okay, as we just saw that it is joined by Alaknanda river is joined by the Holy Ganga river at Vishnu Prayag in Samodhi district of Indian state of Uttarakhand. So first statement was correct. So it is joined by the Holy Ganga river at Vishnu Prayag near Josimat. So it's correct. And then the second confluence is Nandaprayag. In Nandaprayag, Alaknanda river is joined by Nandakini river. Okay, it's joined by Nandakini river. And the third confluence of Alaknanda river is Karnaprayag. So Vishnu Prayag, Nandaprayag, Karnaprayag, and this is the place where Karna, who is the tragic hero of Mahabharata, he did penance to please sun god. Okay, so through whom he got Kavacha and Kundala. You all know, right? And in this Karnaprayag, Pindar river is joined in Karnaprayag. Okay, I think the discussion about Pindar river, there's a little bit of description mentioned in Bahubali film. Okay, Pindar river, I think it's there. I don't know if it's correct or not. Pindar river is mentioned in that movie. So Pindar river is joined with Alaknanda river in Karnaprayag. Okay, and the fourth Prayag is Rudraprayag. Rudraprayag is the fourth confluence between Alaknanda river and Mandakini river. Okay, Mandakini river. So in Rudraprayag, Alaknanda river is joined by Mandakini river, is the confluence, and the fifth and the final union takes place at Devaprayag, where Alaknanda river joins Bhagirathi river. We just saw in the second point, no, place of confluence of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi. It's not Vishnu Prayag, but it's Devaprayag. Okay, so let me repeat: Panchaprayag is the place where Alaknanda river, like it's the route carved by Alaknanda. Okay, five Prayags, and the origin of Alaknanda river is Setupant glacier. First Prayag is Vishnu Prayag, joined by the Holy Ganga river, Alaknanda, and then the second Prayag is Nanda Prayag, where Alaknanda river is joined by Nandakini river. Third is Karna Prayag, where Alaknanda river is joined by Pindar river. The fourth is Rudra Prayag, where Alaknanda river is joined by Mandakini river, and the fifth is Deva Prayag, where Alaknanda river is joined by Bhagirathi river. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Let's go to the next question. Next question. It's also a statement based question. Mango SAR, since the rain SARs are good for the mango trees, occurs along the coast of Kerala. First point. And the second point is Lu is the name given to hot and dry winds that blow in the northern plains. It is very common in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh, called Andhi in Bihar. The correct answer is both of these statements are correct. What is mango SAR? Mango SAR is a colloquial term to describe the occurrence of pre-monsoon rainfall. Sometimes these rains are referred to as generally April rains or summer SARs. Okay, so this is about mango SAR, and Lu is the name given to hot and dry winds that blow in northern plains. So both of these statements are correct. Okay, like no stretch discussion on this question. Let's move to the next question. Which of the following longitudes is the standard meridian of India? I think this everybody should know. Okay, the time begins now. Please write the correct answer to this. The standard meridian of India: 69 degree 30 minutes east, 75 degree 30 minutes east, 82 degree 30 minutes east, or 90 degree 30 minutes east. The correct answer is 82 degree 30 minutes east. It is the standard meridian of India, and it's the longitude, by the way. And this 82 degree 30 east, it determines the Indian Standard Time. Okay, so this is it. The local time along this longitude is generally considered as the common time of India. Next question. Which of the following places receives the highest rainfall of the world? I think you all know this. Highest rainfall of the world: Silchar, Cherrapunji, Mawsynram, Guwahati. Cherrapunji is not the right answer. It previously it was the highest rainfall point, but now it's changed, and the new place of which receives highest rainfall is Mawsynram. Okay, it's in Meghalaya only. So hope it's clear. Mawsynram is the highest place receiving highest rainfall in the world. The last question. Okay, the answer got revealed. The which of the following river flows in Rift Valley? It's Narmada and Tapi. So from the options, Narmada is the correct answer. Okay, the Narmada and the Tapi are the major rivers in India that flows through Rift Valleys. So with this, we complete all the questions. For revision, please see the video once more in 2x speed. Okay, so this is it. Thank you so much. The PDF you can get it in rupees 300. For that, send a message to 7797058659. So this is it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SSC Sikkim. See you in the next video. Bye bye.